Okay, this tutorial is regarding finishing a reservation. The rental has been returned. You come to current reservations, find the reservation in question using the order ID number or the renter's last name. You've calculated the balance due or the refund, and there would have been a finish link on that page after you calculated it. Down here at the bottom, save and print and finish. If for some reason you haven't finished it, you can also get to that link from this page, the current reservations. In this column it says finish. We click finish. It brings us to the finish confirmation page. You will not be paid for your rental until it's finished. This has all the details of the order, end of rental charges, and finish confirmation, which describes your payment and our commission and the date it is completed. So you just scroll to the bottom and click finish. If you want to send your customer an email receipt, you can click this button and send them a thank you message. Otherwise, we'll just click finish. And the same page, and then you can go to the bottom and click see in financial search. Brings you to this page and shows you that rental, the amount of the rental, the amount of our commissionable fees, sales tax, reservation deposit. And there's another video for this page, but most important columns are the completion date and the paid date. Paid date will read 0 until we pay you your share of the rental. That's it for this video, and thank you.